Across the Norfolk Southern system, NS has made bucket trucks available for use to avoid potential lines of fire hazard and falling hazards associated with large ladder jobs. This video will give a quick overview of those trucks located on the Pocahontas Division. The first truck we'll take a look at is located in Princeton, West Virginia. It is under the direction of Bridge Supervisor Buck Collins. It is an Alltech model AT235 with both articulating and telescoping capabilities. The second truck is located in Pritchard, West Virginia under the direction of Bridge Supervisor Gene Campbell. It is a Duralift 35FP, also capable of articulation and telescoping. The third and final truck is located in Bluefield, West Virginia under the direction of Bridge Supervisor Dan Cyphers. It is an Alltech model AA500 with articulating capabilities. Now we'll take a look at the main components of the man lift system. Shown here is the bucket, or basket, the main boom, or telescoping boom, the main knuckle, or joint, the articulating boom, and finally the pedestal. All three trucks are this dual knuckle cylinder design that give them their articulating capabilities. All three trucks are equipped to allow for mounting inside the bed of the truck. This will always supply a safe and level mounting service with handholds and grab irons to aid entry into the bucket while in its home position. These platform areas are equipped with other features that will aid in mounting, including a ladder and a non-slip surface. Only the Princeton and Pritchard trucks have the extension capabilities to provide a safe ground bucket entry. Now we will take a more detailed look at the operation of each truck individually, starting with the Princeton model. Shown here is the reach diagram. This is an excellent tool that illustrates the movement capabilities specific to each truck. Before work, the operator should be familiar with the movements that each truck can or cannot make. The first position consists of the articulating boom stowed and the main boom extended to the ground. This is the primary position to allow for ground entry into the bucket. This position will be used to obtain the maximum horizontal reach. This reach can be made with the articulating boom stowed, or for more movement and height, it can be lifted and the main boom extended out to allow for a maximum reach of 26.5 feet from the center line of the truck body. The final illustrated position shows the truck extended to allow for its maximum vertical height reach of 40 feet. Finally, the operator should always consult the operating weight limits of the boom and/or bucket. This truck has a max weight of 350 pounds. Next, we'll examine the Pritchard truck. The first position shown on the reach diagram is the ground entry position. The second is a horizontal reach with the articulated boom stowed. With the articulated boom remaining stowed, here is the vertical maximum reach. Now we will release the articulating boom and examine the maximum reach capabilities of the truck. This position shows the boom at its lowest operating point with the articulating boom fully extended. Here is the truck demonstrating its maximum horizontal reach of 25.5 feet from the center line of the truck body. And last, here is the Pritchard truck at its full vertical lift of 40 feet. A 350-pound basket capacity is also applied to this truck. Finally, let's take a look at the reach limits of the Bluefield model. Here is the truck doing a series of overhead movements with the articulated boom extended to its maximum reach. This model of truck operates out of this main position to allow for the largest range of movements by the main boom and basket. Here's the truck performing its maximum horizontal reach of 27 feet. The highest vertical reach is 49 feet. Here is the platform capacity. Next, we'll examine the use of the outrigging system equipped on all the trucks. The Princeton and Pritchard trucks have a center body mounted system. The use of these components can be difficult to correct while working on the rail, but both trucks' outriggers are capable to reach below the height of the top of the rail to mount steadily on a tie. The Bluefield truck has a dual system. There are a set of rigs located on the rear and center of the truck body. The system is also mounted at a slant to provide additional lateral support for the entire truck by extending slightly outward. However, while operating on the rail, the rigs must be blocked up to achieve stability. A critical safety feature on the trucks is the alarms that alert the operator of a failure to apply the parking brake. A second is a control lock that is set on the boom that will not allow basket movement unless the outriggers have been deployed. Lastly, a self-leveling bucket and an operator guard over the bucket position override, which prevents an accidental bucket adjustment while a worker is in it.